Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, for today, our assignment is about area and side length relationships. So, it says I can use area models to find the missing side lengths or areas. And our essential question is how can I find the missing side length or area of a square? Okay, thank you. And so, I want to emphasize that we're talking about squares and we're talking about finding the missing side length or the missing area of the square. So here I have three squares, a red square, a blue square, and a green square. And I need to find the missing values. Okay. Here it says, what are the side lengths of these three squares? So the red side length is, the blue side length is, and the green side length is what? And then it also asks me, what are the areas? And I apologize for that little apostrophe there. What are the areas of these three squares? So what's the area of the red one? What's the area of the blue one? And what's the area of the green one? So let's work on that. So luckily, when it comes to side length, if I'm given a square with grids already in it, I can just count the little boxes for my length. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the red box or the red square is 4 units long. So I'm gonna type in 4 units. The blue side length is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 units. The green side length is, oh my gosh, I have no idea. There are no grids for me to count. Oh no, panic. No, of course not. Let's finish the rest of the problem. And after we get that done, I'm certain that we'll be able to figure out the side length of the green square. So what are the areas of these three squares? Well, once again, if we have a grid paper, our grid box or square, we can just count all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 squares here. So the red square's area is 16 units squared. Okay. And the blue one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The blue square area is 9 units. And then to get that little caret, we do shift caret key, which should be above the 6 at the top of your keyboard, and then the 2. So this means 9 units squared. And the green square area is, oh no, what is it? What would it be? We don't know. But what we do know is that Miss Boudreau did an awesome lesson, and so did Miss G. So in Miss Boudreau's lesson, we learned about finding the area of a green square, or finding the side lengths of a green square by finding the square root. And she asked us, what number times itself will make the center number? We don't know the center number, but luckily from Miss G's lesson, we practiced setting up equations. We know that the red square plus the blue square is going to be equal to the green square, that these two small squares add up to that third bigger square. So we know that 16 square units plus 9 square units will be, what's 16 plus 9? I don't know. I'm not good at math. Let me use my calculator. Desmos. Oh, there's a Desmos calculator right there for, oh, God bless America. So, okay, for sake of time, 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay, so we know that this is 25 units squared. All right, but if I didn't know, I could go to Desmos and do my thing here, okay? Now, with that being said, going back to Ms. Boudreau's lesson, what number times itself makes 25? And the answer, of course, what number times itself makes 25 is 5. So given area, we can find side lengths, or given side lengths, we can find the areas, okay? Or even missing a piece, we can use the rest of the puzzle to find the missing piece.